Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open Innistrad Crimson Vow. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a wild card token. And then we have a spirit token. We have a mountain for our land. And we have Shattered Sanctum. A showcase art Innocent Traveler, which transforms into Malicious Invader. Bride's Gown. Lantern of the Lost. Kindly Ancestor, which transforms into Ancestor's Embrace. Witch's Web. Snarling Wolf. Honored Heirloom. End the Festivities. Heron of Hope. Rot-Tide Gargantua. Evolving Wilds. Selhoffen Tumor. And Gift of Fangs to round out the pack. Now today's pack 1 pick 1. Okay, so I kind of like Innocent Traveler. For 2 black, you get a 1/3 creature that reads, at the beginning of your upkeep, any opponent may sacrifice a creature. If no one does, transform Innocent Traveler. And transformed, Malicious Invader is a 3/3 creature with flying that reads, Malicious Invader gets +2/+0 as long as an opponent controls a human. That's the transformed creature is okay, a 3/3 flyer, that's great. What I really like about this, though, is the front. It's forcing your opponent to sacrifice creatures, or you get a much bigger, scarier creature than a 1/3. This keeps you pretty open. It's kind of just wanting you to be a little control-y, right? Since this is disrupting your opponent's field by making them sacrifice on your turn, it's giving you a little bit board control without having to just be combat focused. So that's my pick for this pack, but there are other great cards in here, and if you have a different pick one, let me know in the comments below. But that's all for today, so thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as I crack open another pack.